All right, so we are here at the Plus Soap Detail Co. We brought over the roller skate. We're going to see what they can do. They've promised me that they think they can make some improvements on the van. So we're going to go in, meet with Garrett, the owner, and see what he tells us about what our options are. So let's go in. We're going to check it out. We are here at the Plus Soap Detail Co. global headquarters in Draper, Utah. Actually, you tell us where we're at. Where are we at?
We are in Draper, Utah. You are right.
Okay, perfect. This is Garrett. Garrett, what's your role here? What do you do?
I am the owner-operator of Plus Soap.
Okay.
I manage an amazing team, and we have some incredible detail products here that have been growing and growing ever since we opened. We've been doing this officially since the end of 2013. So I used to own and operate 2 paint correction shops, and I was going to maybe 5 different detail stores for different products I would like. I would go to this store for maybe soaps and this store for maybe polishes, and I thought, well, what if we can have all of that under one roof and at least have what I think is the best under one roof in the same store. So after a lot of research and talking to a lot of very knowledgeable people, we were able to develop our first product lineup, which consisted of 3 products. It was a foam soap, a detail spray wax, and a glass cleaner, alcohol-based. And ever since then, we've been blossoming, and now we have 22 chemicals in our product lineup.
Question then, you've got 2 different racks here. Exterior, interior, or talk to me about what's on both of these racks over here.
Yes, we have the exterior chemicals on this wall, and the interior over. I got you.
Okay, so we've got exterior.
The interior over here and the exterior over here.
And do you guys, I guess, also chemicals, but also product, right? So you've got different applicators?
Yes. Yes, we work with, we just signed on with Rupes, so we are selling their polishing pads now. We have sourced what we feel are the best brushes and the best microfiber products as well. This year we're taking a huge forward progress stance on accessories. So we want to cater more to tint and PPF installers, get the squeegees in here, maybe get some detail kegs in here, and just start expanding the detailer niche that we cater to. I don't have any products that cross each other, right? There are some companies out there that say this wax is good for black cars and this wax is good for white cars, and I think that's a total sham because they're touching the same clear coat, right? So I think that our transparency is something that you don't see every day in the detail industry, and the fact that all of our products can be chopped down because they're so concentrate as well. But the one of my favorite products is our ceramic spray, and I'm going to show you how this product works on your camper outside.
Talk to me a little bit. You've already looked at the van, I guess, so tell me kind of what the game plan is. We're going to go out and try and clean some of the exterior.
Yes, it is pretty filthy.
Yeah.
So we have a deep cleansing slash water spot removing foam soap, and since it's been sitting out in the rain, it's really nice to be able to wash, do a deep cleanse, and remove all those mineral deposits at the same time.
Okay.
So we'll start with that and get everything super deep cleaned, and then we'll throw in some protection on there, some ceramic spray.
Okay, cool. Well, let's walk me out. Show me where we're going.
Let's go.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
So normally in our process, we start with the wheel arches. Usually a lot of gravel and heavy dirt gets stacked up in here.
Canadian salt. I think I have Canadian salt in there still, which is probably the worst stuff.
That's the bad one.
Yeah.
We'll take care of it. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
So we're going to rinse out your archways really well and start with your wheels and tires.
Okay.
Okay. And then we will move to a pre-soak on the body of the vehicle, and then a contact wash, and after that we will do the protective coating.
Okay,
So,
sweet.
we
Well,
got the dream team back here, so let's get them going.
so what are your guys' names?
My name's Christian. Dawson.
What are we filling here?
We're doing some water, and we're gonna put some spray wax in here for the rinse bucket.
Okay.
And then the wheel bucket will have water, iron dissolve, and wheel cleaner. And then the clean bucket will be water and foam soap.
I think that's like one of the things that people don't think about the most is how important it is to separate your towels and your buckets.
Oh, 100%.
Because we're just lazy, dude.
Be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. Yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Leaving breadcrumbs all when I stray. Well, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. I'm more feelings, I be more like you. Yeah, not to put your fire with the things I like. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Finding comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine. Spinning in monsoon and grinning is high octane. Explosive how I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat. Catch a second wind thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running. Wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me my behavior. Had me lost in light speed. Times like these that make me say, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Leaving breadcrumbs all when I stray. Well, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall.
All right, so we finished up. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much for swinging by.
It was cool to come to your workshop, honestly. Like,
Yeah.
I've been in here years ago when it was a different workshop, but we'll just kind of like walk around, check it out. You said it went pretty well. It's looking very clean. It's white again. Maybe we could name it like Mochi or Baymax again now that it's white, right? But yeah,
All the way.
it looks awesome. All right, so I think that's about it. I think that these guys are ready for me to leave. They definitely want me to leave. And that anybody who is looking for kind of a full line of interior, exterior products definitely would recommend the Plus soap. I've been using it, and he made fun of me because I showed him my bottles. I've got some of the older ones, I guess, but I've been using it for a good hot minute now. So
Yes.
and been really happy with it. So and it smells good. The interior of your car will smell awesome if you're using their stuff when you're done. It's like a nice smell. So anyway, we'll pack up. Car looks great. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Yeah. Thanks. We wore him out. He's on the ground. But yeah, we hopefully will get this going, and we'll swing by again before we leave the country. But yeah, appreciate
And
it.
again when the RWB is finished.
Oh yeah, we'll bring the RWB here for sure and have to do a whole thing. So
Yeah.
the RWB will probably look better under the lights anyway, honestly.
We'll do a shine and drive episode.
Ooh, shine and drive. Cool. All right, well, thank you. I appreciate it.